Audio version of the article by Alexander Ovsyannikov, founder of Real Estate Group. How to make money from Dubai's property boom in 2024. A guide for smart investors. Part 6 of 7. Want to buy real estate in the United Arab Emirates? Write to WhatsApp +797 737 65428, and we will find the best options for you. Everyone buys from us. Listen to Part 5 for the beginning. District 6. Dubai Silicon Oasis. Dubai Silicon Oasis is a free zone and an integrated technology park in Dubai, spanning over 7.2 square kilometers. It is a hub for innovation and entrepreneurship with various companies, startups, and research centers. It is also a residential and commercial community with various projects such as villas, townhouses, and apartments with smart and sustainable features. DSO offers a range of apartments from studios to 3-bedroom units with modern and elegant features. It also offers a range of amenities such as schools, universities, hospitals, malls, hotels, and parks. DSO is one of the best areas to invest in Dubai for high rental yields, as it offers attractive and convenient apartments in a dynamic and vibrant environment. According to Real Estate Group, the average rental yield for apartments in DSO was 7.3% in H1 2023, while the average capital appreciation was 6.3% in the same period. The ROI for flipping apartments in DSO is also decent, as the area has a high demand for contemporary and functional units. The initial investment cost is also relatively low, as the average price per square foot for apartments in DSO was $608, about $166 in H1 2023, according to Real Estate Group. Dubai Silicon Oasis. This is a free zone and an integrated technology park that offers a range of residential and commercial properties, as well as facilities for education, research, and innovation. The average price per square foot for apartments in Dubai Silicon Oasis was $715, about $195 in Q3 2022, up by 7.25% from $666, about $181 in Q3 2021. An example of a residential complex in this area is Bingati Stars, which is a G+12 building offering studio, 1E, and 2-bedroom apartments with amenities such as a gym, a pool, a children's play area, and a landscaped garden. A studio apartment in Bingati Stars with a size of 484 square feet was listed for sale at $350, about $95, $368 in November 2022. 1. Real estate. Dubai Silicon Oasis offers a range of residential and commercial properties for sale and rent, catering to different needs and preferences. The area has a mix of apartments, villas, townhouses, and offices with various sizes, designs, and amenities. Some of the popular communities in Dubai Silicon Oasis include Seder Villas, Semer Villas, Silicon Park, Silicon Oasis Residence, and Silicon Gates. The advantages of living in this area of Dubai for couples, families with children, and young professionals are: affordability. Dubai Silicon Oasis is known for its affordability compared to other parts of Dubai, with lower prices and rents for properties. According to Real Estate Group, the average price of apartments for sale in Dubai Silicon Oasis is $600,000, about $163. $488, while the average rent is $35,000, about $9,536 per year. The area also offers low-cost utilities, transportation, and entertainment, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious residents. Accessibility. Dubai Silicon Oasis is easily accessible by various modes of transportation, such as cars, buses, taxis, and metro. The area is well connected to other parts of Dubai and the UAE, with major roads and highways, such as Dubai Al Ain Road, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, and Al Qudra Road. The area is also close to the Academic City, International City, and Nad Al Sheba 4. Amenities. Dubai Silicon Oasis has a number of amenities that provide convenience and comfort to its residents and visitors. The area has schools, hospitals, clinics, supermarkets, pharmacies, banks, and salons within easy reach. The area also has parks, playgrounds, gyms, pools, and sports facilities for recreation and fitness. The area also has mosques, churches, and temples for worship and spirituality. 2. Population. Dubai Silicon Oasis has a population of over 88,000 people, according to the 2020 census. The population consists of a diverse mix of nationalities, cultures, and backgrounds, reflecting the cosmopolitan nature of Dubai. The majority of the population are expatriates from countries such as India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Philippines, Egypt, and Iran. 3. Business life. Dubai Silicon Oasis is a hub for various businesses, especially in the fields of technology, innovation, and entrepreneurship. The area has a number of commercial properties, such as offices, warehouses, and showrooms that cater to different needs and budgets. The area also has a supportive and innovative environment with facilities such as the Dubai Technology Entrepreneur Campus DTEC, the Dubai Digital Park DDP, and the Dubai Science Park DSP. For infrastructure and transportation, Dubai Silicon Oasis has a well-developed infrastructure that provides convenience and comfort to its residents and visitors. The area has a network of roads and highways that connect it to other parts of Dubai and the UAE. It also has public transportation options, such as buses and taxis, and will soon have metro stations as part of the Route 2020 extension. Dubai Silicon Oasis also has a reliable supply of water, electricity, and gas, as well as telecommunication and internet services. The area is also equipped with security and emergency services, such as police stations, fire stations, and ambulances. 5. Cultural life. Dubai Silicon Oasis has a vibrant and dynamic cultural life, with opportunities and activities for different sectors and interests. Some of the cultural attractions and events in Dubai Silicon Oasis are Dubai Miracle Garden, a stunning floral attraction that features over 150 million flowers arranged in different shapes and designs, such as a giant Mickey Mouse, a butterfly garden, and a floral castle. Global Village, a cultural and entertainment destination that showcases the traditions and products of over 90 countries in themed pavilions. The village also has live performances, carnival games, fireworks, and food stalls. Quoz Arts Festival, a festival that celebrates the creative and artistic scene of Dubai with live music, art exhibitions, dance shows, workshops, and food trucks. The festival was held at Al-Circle Avenue on January 28 and 29, 2023. Dubai Shopping Festival, a festival that offers amazing retail and entertainment experiences with incredible promotions, discounts, and prizes. The festival also features a nightly drone light show, fireworks, concerts, and cultural events. The festival runs from December 15, 2022 to January 29, 2023. Chinese New Year, a celebration of the Chinese culture and traditions with various activities and events, such as lantern displays, dragon dances, fireworks, and special menus. The celebration will take place from January 20th to 29th, 2023. 6. Entertainment venues. Dubai Silicon Oasis offers a variety of entertainment venues for its residents and visitors, such as theme parks, sports activities, and nightlife venues. Real Estate Group describes some of them. Worlds of Adventure, a massive indoor theme park that features for zones based on Marvel, Cartoon Network, Lost Valley, and Boulevard. The park has thrilling rides, interactive attractions, live shows, and dining outlets. Dubai Autodrome, a motorsports circuit that hosts international racing events, such as the Dubai 24-hour, the Gulf 12-hour, and the Hankook 6-hour. The circuit also offers driving experiences, karting, and laser tag. Dubai Polo and Equestrian Club, a club that offers polo, equestrian, and leisure activities, such as horse riding, show jumping, dressage, and spa treatments. The club also has restaurants, lounges, and event venues. The Irish Village, a pub and restaurant that offers a taste of Ireland with live music, sports screenings, and traditional food and drinks. The Walk-in Smart Police Station, a station that provides 24-hour security services to residents and workers in the Oasis. The station provides 46 services divided into 4 packages: security services, community services, traffic services, and certificates and permits services. 7. Universities. Dubai Silicon Oasis is home to one university, the Rochester Institute of Technology of Dubai RIT Dubai, a non-profit global campus of the Rochester Institute of Technology in Rochester, New York. The university was established in 2008 as part of an agreement between SOA and RIT New York. The university offers undergraduate and graduate programs in engineering, computing, business, and leadership. 8. Schools. Dubai Silicon Oasis has 3 schools catering to different curricula and age groups. The schools are GEMS Wellington Academy, a school that follows the national curriculum for England and the International Baccalaureate Diploma Program. The school has over 4,000 students from over 90 nationalities and offers a range of academic and extracurricular activities. The Indian International School, TSO, a school that follows the Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) curriculum of India. The school has over 2,000 students from over 20 nationalities and offers a holistic and value-based education. Venice International School, a school that follows the American curriculum and the Common Core State Standards. The school has over 1,000 students from over 40 nationalities and offers a personalized and innovative learning environment. 9. Kindergartens. Dubai Silicon Oasis has several kindergartens and nurseries that provide quality early childhood education and care. Some of the kindergartens and nurseries in Dubai Silicon Oasis are British Orchard Nursery, a nursery that follows the British Early Years Foundation Stage (AFES) curriculum and the National Quality Framework of Australia. The nursery has over 300 children from over 60 nationalities and offers a stimulating and nurturing environment. Chubby Cheeks Nursery, a nursery that follows the AFES curriculum and the Red Jaw Amelia approach. The nursery has over 200 children from over 40 nationalities and offers a creative and playful environment. Kids Zone Nursery, a nursery that follows the AFES curriculum and the Montessori method. The nursery has over 150 children from over 30 nationalities and offers a supportive and respectful environment. Blossom Mutant Nursery, a nursery that follows the AFES curriculum and the Sky Garden approach. The nursery has over 100 children from over 20 nationalities and offers a natural and adventurous environment. 10. Stores. Dubai Silicon Oasis has a variety of stores and shops to suit different needs and preferences. You can find everything from supermarkets and pharmacies to fashion boutiques and electronics shops in the area. Among the popular shopping centers and malls real estate group can highlight the following. Souk Extra, a community mall that offers a range of retail and service outlets such as Spinneys, Starbucks, McDonald's, KFC, Pizza Hut, and Emirates NBD. Seder Shopping Center, a shopping center that offers a range of retail and service outlets such as Choithrams, Subway, Papa John's, Tim Hortons, and Emirates Islamic Bank. Silicon Central, a shopping mall that offers a range of retail and service outlets such as Carrefour, H&M, Zara, Sephora, and Vox Cinemas. The mall also has a food court, a family entertainment center, and a Hyperloop station. Silicon Oasis Residence, a shopping mall that offers a range of retail and service outlets such as Lulu Hypermarket, Splash, Max, Lifestyle, and Astor Pharmacy. The mall also has a food court, a fitness center, and a kids' play area. The Walk, a shopping street that offers a range of retail and service outlets such as Adidas, Nike, Reebok, and Etisalat. The street also has a number of cafes and restaurants such as Costa Coffee, Starbucks, and The Monk. 11. Restaurants and cafes. Dubai Silicon Oasis has a variety of restaurants and cafes to suit different tastes and preferences. You can enjoy a wide range of cuisines and dining experiences in Dubai Silicon Oasis, from fast food and coffee shops to fine dining and international restaurants. Some of the popular restaurants and cafes in Dubai Silicon Oasis are Saigon Station, a restaurant that serves authentic Vietnamese food such as pho, spring rolls, and banh mi. The restaurant has a cozy and colorful ambience and offers delivery and catering services. Pizza Sabioni, a restaurant that serves delicious Italian pizza, pasta, and salads. The restaurant has a rustic and elegant decor and offers takeaway and online ordering services. Tomato Basilico, a restaurant that serves fresh and homemade Italian food such as lasagna, pesto, and tiramisu. The restaurant has a friendly and casual atmosphere and offers catering and party services. Miyabi Sushi, a restaurant that serves Japanese sushi, sashimi, and teppanyaki. The restaurant has a modern and chic design and offers delivery and loyalty programs. The Monk, a restaurant that serves Chinese and Asian fusion food such as noodles, dim sum, and stir-fries. The restaurant has a contemporary and minimalist style and offers delivery and online ordering services. Mr. Toad's Pub Kitchen, a pub and restaurant that serves British and international food such as fish and chips, burgers, and pies. The pub has a cozy and lively ambience and offers live music, sports screenings, and happy hours. Absy's House of Burger, a restaurant that serves gourmet burgers, fries, and shakes. The restaurant has a funky and colorful theme and offers delivery and online ordering services. Costa Coffee, a coffee shop that serves hot and cold beverages such as coffee, tea, and smoothies. The coffee shop also serves snacks such as muffins, sandwiches, and cakes. Chapter 1 Floral Cafe, a cafe that serves coffee, tea, and desserts such as cupcakes, macarons, and waffles. The cafe has a floral and romantic theme and offers delivery and gift services. Cake Away, a cafe that serves cakes, pastries, and cookies such as cheesecake, brownies, and croissants. The cafe also serves beverages such as milkshakes, juices, and hot chocolate. 12. Hospitals and Clinics. Dubai Silicon Oasis has a number of hospitals and clinics that provide quality health care and services. Some of the hospitals and clinics in Dubai Silicon Oasis are Faqih University Hospital, a hospital that offers a range of medical and surgical specialties such as cardiology, neurology, orthopedics, and oncology. The hospital also has a 24-hour emergency department, a pharmacy, and a laboratory. Medicure Polyclinic, a clinic that offers a range of medical and dental services such as general medicine, dermatology, orthodontics, and cosmetic dentistry. The clinic also has a pharmacy and a laboratory. OC Rejuve Laser Cosmetic Center, a clinic that offers a range of aesthetic and cosmetic services such as laser hair removal, Botox, fillers, and skin rejuvenation. The clinic also has a spa and a salon. Aster Clinic, a clinic that offers a range of medical and dental services such as general medicine, gynecology, pediatrics, and endodontics. The clinic also has a pharmacy and a laboratory. Farha Clinic's Children's Center, a clinic that offers a range of pediatric and family medicine services such as immunization, nutrition, and allergy. The clinic also has a pharmacy and a laboratory. Magnum Gulf Medical Center, a clinic that offers a range of medical and dental services such as internal medicine, cardiology, physiotherapy, and implantology. The clinic also has a pharmacy and a laboratory. Z-Dent Polyclinic, a clinic that offers a range of dental services such as oral surgery, periodontics, prosthodontics, and pediatric dentistry. The clinic also has a laboratory. Symbiosis Medical Center, a clinic that offers a range of medical and dental services such as dermatology, endocrinology, gastroenterology, and orthodontics. The clinic also has a pharmacy and a laboratory. Dubai Silicon Oasis is a destination that offers something for everyone, whether you are looking for a place to live, work, play, or invest. By investing in Dubai Silicon Oasis, you can enjoy the benefits of a high return on investment, a stable and secure market, and a tax-free environment. You can also choose from a variety of properties, such as studios, apartments, houses, and villas that suit your budget and preferences. Don't miss this opportunity to invest in Dubai Silicon Oasis, the free trade zone and integrated technology park, and be part of the future of Dubai. Hurry! Limited units are available. Want to buy real estate in the United Arab Emirates? Write to WhatsApp +797 737 65428. And we will find the best options for you. Everyone buys from us. Listen to Part 7 for the continuation.